Hi everyone! Welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pork tenderloin. It is so easy to make in the oven. Let me show you how it's done. First thing you're going to do is set your oven to preheat at 400 degrees. Grab some aluminum foil paper and we're going to place that pork tenderloin right in the center. Then we're going to drizzle with some olive oil. I used 1.5 tablespoons and with a brush evenly spread it. This is going to be our glue for the seasoning. After you've spread the olive oil, we're going to make our seasoning with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and we're going to mix all that together. Once the seasoning is thoroughly combined, we can sprinkle that over the pork tenderloin and get it nice and covered. And you can even use your brush to help kind of spread that around. Now we're going to add a drizzle of fresh lemon juice. This is 1/2 of a lemon. We're adding the entire thing to this pork tenderloin. Then we're going to wrap the tenderloin by creating like a little pouch or pocket, and we're going to fold the edges together to seal it. And then we're going to fold the sides as well to seal them. Now we're going to place it in the oven and we're going to cook for about 25 minutes or until the internal temperature is at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. The best way to know that it has reached that minimum internal temperature is using a digital thermometer. So all you have to do is open up the bag, just really be careful not to get burned with the steam, and you're going to find a thick part of the tenderloin, and measure that. As you can see, mine did not quite reach 145. It's at 142, 143, which I think it's perfect because we're going to broil it, and that's going to increase the temperature slightly, so it's going to be perfect once I remove it from the broil. So I set that broil on high. Just open this up a little bit more so that the pork tenderloin can get nice and golden. So we're going to return that back to the oven, and then you'll see the final result. Here it is, nice and golden and browned. We're going to go ahead and slice it. You can slice it to whatever thickness you prefer. I did about 3/4 of an inch thick. This is nice and tender and juicy. I know you are going to absolutely love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.